Yes, the fight that we won, it's not according to how we plan, but the fight we won, at the end of the day, we won.
Nonghikai hapo kalama jang Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya Fastom hakasantrik unaitung arjar arpoar kila shimia karai ban Pynkut no ia Jingiakhih ban dawa penkiu tulop hadin makasorkar jela kala penkiu ketulop jengki de khandai hajar ban riwajar hakasantrik banai naitung arjar arpoar.
We won. We win. We sat here and we won. Do not go back home. That we got less salary. Go back home where you are happy that you won. So the decision that we are about to take here today, I know if I ask each and every single one of you, you'll have different opinions. And that can be dangerous for everyone. Some of you will say, let's go home. We have got what we asked for, or else we might lose what we already have. Some of you might say, no, we should still fight. But I will tell you right now, do not be selfish. Be selfless. Think about the others as well. There are so many who have been fighting for the last 3 months. So many are tired. So many have been away from home. So many who have had to face so much of difficulties because of this. See, if we continue, anything can happen. We do not know what, but I'm just saying anything can happen. Someone might come here. When we were patrolling the other day here, we slept here, we were patrolling. There are people who came here. We can protect you for 1-2 days. We cannot protect you forever. We cannot protect you forever. We do not know what is going to happen. Yesterday you also saw what happened. So it can take another turn. Instead of you going home safe and sound, you might go to the hospital. And you might even lose your job. For how long will we be able to protest like this? We have to return back. We have to also think of the students. So as a teacher, I would like to request my fellow teachers, as it is the decision that is being made by the CEC today, that we will call off this agitation today. You will get all these different amenities from the government, where you will be empowered to be accessible for all these different EPF. What will you do after retirement? What will you do after retirement? We are looking for all of your maternity leave. We are fighting for that as well. We want the teachers of the ad hoc to also get maternity leave. It is not there in the memorandum, but we are speaking now, because the memorandum as it is, it was not being prepared by me. It was being prepared later on. So we will move forward. So it's okay. So we will move forward. We will make all of these things better. But for that, I need the support of each and every single one of you. I need your support. I need you to also help me, to support me, to change your future and your children's future and your children's children's future. If today, no matter what decision we take today, I do not want you to go home and to only think about the money. Please do not think only about the money. Do not limit your capacity to understand only about money. We are all very unhappy, and the most unhappy one is I and the leaders here. We are very sad. Since yesterday we have had this discussion over and over again. We cannot come to an agreement. What should we do? We know that most of you or some of you might point fingers. Oh, it's because of this, it's because of that. But what I have in mind the blueprint that I have in mind for your future. Once that takes shape, then you will understand. This fight that we won, I will say that we have won a fight. And for that, all of us should applaud each other. Because we have won a fight. It's very rare in Meghalaya that you win a fight. And we have won a fight. Yes, the fight that we won, it's not according to how we planned. But the fight we won, at the end of the day, we won.